What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very sad and disturbing review for you guys. Basically, about a couple weeks ago, my brother came up to me and told me that he bought these shoes, and I asked him what they were, where he bought them or whatnot. He showed me a picture of them, and I'm like, no freaking way. The shoe that he showed me was the Wotherspoons, which I believe retail minimum like $650 to upwards of $750. But regardless, an extremely expensive and high-class shoe. Right off the bat, I was kind of skeptical, and I got even more skeptical when he said that he bought them for like 190 or so, and I'm like, there's just like no way. After a lot of anticipation, they finally came in the mail today, and we're gonna take a look at them. So I did open them already because I was like crazy ecstatic to see what they looked like. But first, let's take a look at the packaging. I was not too impressed. This was literally what it came in. It literally came in a bag, not a box. And then, let's cover that up. So yeah, shipped straight from China. That's definitely not a good sign. But Chexington Pingtang. So, not sure where that is, or if that's a company or what, but I'm already getting a bad vibe from this. Alright, so let's take a look at the shoe. We'll start at the top and work our way down. Right off the bat, this is what I see. Looks like cardboard or something. Just all around the tongue area. The fabric in general just looks so bad. And then you might notice stuff like this, just like crumbs. I did not eat food. This is literally how it came out. The laces are accurate, I'd say. It's got the gold tips. Okay, so the wave, when I take it off, it's already dirty underneath, which is pretty unacceptable for a brand new pair of sneakers. And if you come around, the tag says Virginia to LA, which is accurate actually, but the stitching is kind of off. They're kind of like connected. Take a look at the air bubble. Air bubble doesn't look too bad, but the sole, that is not comfort, ladies and gentlemen. And coming back up to the top, the colors on this are all like, to me at least, from pictures I've seen, they're a lot dulled down and lighter than they need to be. So now let's take a look inside. Okay, that's accurate. Stitching's a little bit off. Overall, not too bad. Colors are nice. Also came with the spare laces. I'm gonna take a look at the laces in a minute, but I'd say the insole is actually the most convincing part about the entire shoe. So that already tells you something. For the spare laces, the actual Wotherspoons did not come with the spare laces in a bag. So right off the bat, that's fake. On the bottom, I'm gonna have to do some focusing for this because you guys need to see what I'm seeing. That right there is definitely a mistake. Crumbs, nice. Smudging, great. And then, I don't know what this is, just missing paint. Great quality. Great quality. The smell to me, that smells like it's straight out of a sweatshop or something. Alright, that's about all for the video. I hope you guys did not enjoy this video, because I did not enjoy having to bust these fakes. I'm not calling out my brother or anything, because I do really sympathize for him that he got shipped these fakes, because I know that he didn't knowingly buy fakes. But it's just sad for me because obviously he didn't pay $650, it's still $190 down the bank for some trash pair of kicks. Not good. I guess decisive to say, buy from trusted websites. Don't don't go on, I don't know, sketchy websites that have like crazy shoes for like 20 bucks or something. 90% of the time, if they're getting shipped from China, they're either fake or they're garbage. But anyways, please leave a like on this video, subscribe for more. I'm gonna be posting a custom in probably like a day. Bye boys.